Welcome to Extreme Golf Cart Makeover. You're just in time. We were gonna start without you. We're excited you're here today to help us remodel this Yamaha G29 and find out how to enter the Extreme Golf Cart Makeover Sweepstakes. Hope you brought a wrench. But before we lift it and tear it apart, today's episode will cover how we found it, bought it, and got it ready to go from caterpillar to butterfly. We searched a ton of different private sellers with listings on websites and publications. The results that we got were already upgraded carts that didn't fit the bill of the stunning transformation we wanted to see. And frankly, they were expensive. You know what I'm talking about. We wanted to see photos of a kind of pathetic, worn-out old beater that needed our help. Like those animal rescue commercials with the piano music playing over the footage of dogs that need a home. We found success by searching local golf cart listings on auction sites. After we noticed several candidates from the same supplier, we looked them up. Willendale Golf Cart Dealership. Of course, they have tons of beautiful golf carts, but we told them what we were looking for. Their friendly staff sent us photos of some options, and voila, we got our dramatic rescue video. So we chose our 2009 Drive, which was delivered quickly and affordably. Big shout out to our friends at Willendale. So a golf course fleet cart from a dealership turned out to be our best option, but all areas of the country can vary, so be sure to do that research. Once we had our cart, the first step was to test everything. We took care of a flat tire, a blown fuse, a dead battery. A lag on acceleration told us a tune-up would be a good idea, so we changed the filters, oil, spark plug, and carburetor, along with some beat-up dirty parts like the solenoid and voltage regulator as preventive measures. We also had some fun by doing quick installs of single items just to see how they would look. Yamaha Drive has a clearance to take your stock 18-inch tires up to 20 inches with no lift, if there's no weight in the rear like a box or seat, so we tested that out, and it's true, but just barely. The gap was a bit tight for us, but still very drivable and a nice upgrade. Next, we also tried out a Clays basket for front storage and a fitted enclosure for the G29 top, which is longer than most rooftops. We also tried some replacement seat cushions in a dual tone that looked great. Even if you're not going for the full cart makeover, there's a wide variety of single upgrade options for G29 that are definitely worth checking out. So now that we've got it up and running like a top, and had some fun experimenting, step 2 will be to get it ready for its close-up and make it a star. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more episodes, as next time we'll be tearing the cart down to prepare it for the first phase of the remodel, and announcing the first month's 3 winners of the Extreme Golf Cart Makeover Sweepstakes. Speaking of winners, click on the link in the video description below or head over to the Extreme Golf Cart Makeover page at the address on your screen so you can enter to win today. Go on. What are you waiting for? Thanks for watching GCGTV.